Today we're working on our mannequins. We're working on the mannequins all year. They're half a skeleton by a company called Clay Animation, which means we're going to take the whole body and we're going to learn all about it, but we're going to do it interactively by having half a skeleton and building the different muscle systems, the different type of urinary system, all the systems throughout the year. Today we're focusing on the urinary system, so we're working on the bladder, the ureter, the kidneys, the urethra. But it's all about getting kids more hands-on and seeing visually what's inside the human body and how it interacts with each other.
We started with the brain here, and then we went on the outside and did like all of the eyes, the mouth, and then moved down to like the digestive.
Today we were working on the urinary tract system, and the most difficult part was probably with the urethra, since it's like so small and you have to get it in the exact spot that it is in the actual human body.
When we got these 5 years ago, the data I have from 5 years ago on the anatomy and students learning the anatomy well compared to the data we have now on their understanding over the years is definitely increased probably by about 20–25%. But in the end, if they take any of these classes at Madison or at Onstead or anywhere around the county, it's a lot easier if at the end you love it, you know you're going to go into this field, but if not, you know you don't have to waste money at JC in this, you can go to somewhere where you really love. So in the end, it's exploratory class, so you're going to either figure out you like it or don't.
For me, hands-on stuff is way better than doing bookwork, because to me, bookwork is very, very boring.
So there's a lot of teamwork that goes into it, and so there's more ideas and thoughts bouncing around from everyone, so then you can see other people's perspective on it, and then I don't know, it just gets you to learn everything quicker in a different way.